Gakuhi is mean tuition. Gaku is mean learning, studying, or science. But he, the kanji of he is mean about cost. If you do something, you have to pay money, right? So when you pay money, this means he. Or when you do something or you want to get something done, you have to pay money for someone to do for you. So in the case like this, you use the kanji he. So gakuhi is mean the money or the budget that you will use to study. So it means tuition. So when you put the kanji of learn and with the kanji of something that you have to pay, so it means the tuition. And in here you have the example like Nihon no daigaku wa gakuhin ga takai desu. Nihon no daigaku wa gakuhin ga takai desu. It means the tuition of Japanese universities are expensive. The tuition of Japanese universities are expensive. Nihon no daigaku is mean Japanese university. Wa gakuhin ga takai desu. Gakuhi is mean the expense, the tuition. Gakuhin ga takai is mean the tuition is expensive. Gakuhin ga yasui is mean the tuition is cheap. So when you compare with your country, maybe in Japan, the tuition is expensive for you. But if you live in America or Europe, maybe the tuition is cheap for you. So it just depends where you are and you living in. So this kanji, this compound word is mean the tuition. You have to remember. Kagaku. Kagaku. Kagaku is mean chemistry. Jenny-san wa kagaku ga suki desu. Jenin-san wa kagaku ga suki desu. Which means Jenin-san likes chemistry. Kagaku. Kagaku. Kagaku is mean science. This the pronunciation is similar for the kagaku. The last moment we learned the kagaku is mean chemistry, right? But in here the pronunciation is the same, kagaku, but the kanji is different. So and this kanji mean science. So you have to remember that the pronunciation is the same, but the meaning is different. So when you want to know how to specify the how to know kagaku mean science or kagaku mean chemistry, you have to listen the sentence. You have to listen the sentence, then you know that what is the meaning. And you see here they say, Watashi no yume wa kagakusha ni naru koto desu. Watashi no yume wa kagakusha ni naru koto desu. Which means my dream is to become a scientist. My dream is to become a scientist. If you just say about kagaku, it means science. But when you put after the kagaku with the sha or with the mono, the kanji of sha is mean the people or is mean the owner. So when we put the sha, it means that the person who learn about the science. So when we put the kanji of kagaku with the kanji of sha, that means scientist. 留学 留学 is mean studying abroad. この学校は他の国からの留学生がたくさんいます。この学校は他の国からの留学生がたくさんいます。There are many exchange students from other countries at this school. There are many exchange students from other countries at this school. In here we have the 留学生, right? 留学生. 留学生 is mean exchange students. If you just say 留学, 留学 is mean studying abroad, but say is mean the student, right? So when we put the student that are studying abroad, the meaning of student, which mean the sei and the gaku, 留学 is mean study abroad, but the sei is mean the student. So when we put together, it mean the student studying in abroad. So in the case like this, it can be like exchange students. So in this sample, you can create a sentence like 日本に留学したいです。私は日本に留学したいです。Which means I want to study in Japan. 日本に留学したい人がいますか？日本に留学したい人がいますか？ Which means, is there anyone want to study in Japan? Is there anyone want to study in Japan? 学位 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 is mean academic degree or the degree. 学 is mean learning or studying or science. E is mean the position, right? So when you put the kanji that mean study or learn, and with the kanji of position, so it means the degree of in the school or academic degree. For example, 学位は何ですか？学位は何ですか？ What is the academic degree? This means when you want to answer this question, you can answer like 学位は大学です。Right? 学位は大学院です。Right? 大学 is mean university. So that means you get the if you graduate from the university, it means you take 4 years, right? So that means 学位 is mean the level of the school. But if you graduate from the master, it means 学院, right? 大学院 is mean master. So this means 学位は大学院です。Which means if you say 学位は大学院です means you graduate from the master degree, not university degree. So this is about how to separate about the degree in education. So in education we have many levels. We start from elementary school and secondary school and upper secondary school and college and university, right? And after that you have a master or doctor degree. So this is about the level of education. So in the case like this, we can use a gaki to separate. Gaki is mean the position or the level of the education. Manabu. Manabu. Manabu is mean learn or take lesson in something. If you use the kanji of manabu, it means you learn something about. You learn something. This means you take time and you want to major in that things. So if you say that you see here we have example like Imuran-san wa nihongo o manabitai desu. Imura-san wa nihongo o manabitai desu, which means Imran-san wants to learn Japanese language. Imran-san wants to learn Japanese language. So when you say that manabitai, this means you want to learn. Nihongo o manabitai is you want to learn Japanese. Not just learn Japanese, but you want to take either deep understand of the Japanese. And in the future, maybe you want to be a Japanese teacher. This means the teacher that teach Japanese, right? So this means you learn. You take time and learn deeply about the Japanese language. So nihongo o manabitai desu. Or you can say like eigo o manabitai desu, which means I want to learn English. Chugokugo o manabitai desu, which means I want to learn Chinese. So this means nani o manabitai desu ka? Nani o manabitai desu ka? Which means what do you want to learn?